made it to the Vegas Harley Davidson. Actually, someone told us about another one, but this one's a little bit closer, so we chose to just come to this one. So we're gonna go in here, look around. Y'all know I'm not leaving here without getting a t-shirt, a hat, maybe both, but at least something. I'm gonna leave out of here with something. We're gonna check out their inventory to see what bikes they have in here. You know, I'm gonna get me a poker chip before I leave out of here. So, oh, by the way, the Las Vegas sign is right over that way as well. So let's go in here, guys, and check it out. Oh, check the sign out, y'all. There it is. This is the Street Glide. It's the Street Glide ST right here, y'all. This is my sister-in-law, and I'm saying it right now. She is coming back to the East Coast with me, and she wants this bike here, not this particular bike here, but yeah, this bike, and we're gonna drive her back home, okay? So I'm gonna let you know now. She's coming back home with me. Well, guess what? She's gonna be on Tip Squad videos. Bam, there it goes. It's official. Yeah, what y'all think? Y'all think I should get me some leather shorts one day? I mean, I'm not gonna ride in them. I'm definitely not going to, but I'll wear them. I think they're cute though. I think I look good in leather. So I might have to invest in a pair of those one day. I like this color. But I think I already decided leather jacket's not really comfortable. I tried it on back at home. It wasn't that comfortable. Don't get me wrong. I do like them. They're still nice. I think the one I saw at home is the one I think I want to get. This is what I'm not gonna ride in. Some chaps. But it's nothing against chaps. I mean, people wear them, they look good on. You know, I'm all for anything that you want to do with riding, because as long as you ride and you're happy, I'm happy. And I love anything about riding. I just know I'm not gonna wear chaps. I don't think they're gonna look good on me. What y'all think? Y'all let me know down in the comments. That's nice. I like that one. It's nice. I waited a little too late for this one. Oh, they got a large and extra large, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Absolutely. I'll give it up. Yeah, I know I love my hat, so I really want to find a hat because I love hats. Oh, this one's kind of interesting, y'all. And it has Las Vegas on the back of it here. Let's see. This might be a winner, y'all. You tell my son he need to open this up. I love y'all though. This look good? What y'all think? I think I might get this. I like this hat. I like the antique-ish look of him. The little rugged, like worn out. I like this color though. Y'all know why I like this color. I looked at those other hats, y'all, but I don't have my size anyway, so I think I'm just gonna stick with these with the adjustable strap here on the back, and then plus, like I said, it says Las Vegas on it, so at least it shows I came here all the way here to the West Coast. Even though I wasn't on my bike, I was here. Eventually, I'm gonna get here on my bike though. Let's look at some boots. You know that lately I hadn't had any look at home finding boots, so maybe we'll find it. Somebody caught my attention. Up, just some more short y'all. They say curvy fit. That means up. They might just be for me. I don't know though. I would have to try these on. I think I'll just get some leather ones if I'm gonna get some. Because I just wear those. Sexy color right here. I just met a new buddy here. She just bought her a new bike and she's really interested into riding. You know, I'm all about women riding Harleys. So I'm gonna let her introduce herself and kind of tell me a little bit about herself.
My name is Heather Rides and this is my first bike. I just made 40 years old 2 weeks ago. And I just decided to just buy me a bike. I just survived a divorce. And so after my divorce, I decided to do everything that my ex-husband always told me no to. So that's traveling, that's buying everything that my heart desires, and doing everything that I want after I was settled down for almost 20 years. So I got my first son off to college. He's at UNR. I got 2 other kids. That's my middle child. I have a 7-year-old. She's 14. She doesn't want to look at the camera. And so I just did this impulsively because I mean, like, why not? So again, my name is Heather Rides. I'm a YouTuber as well. So isn't that? Yes.
Yes.
Black women do YouTubing, that's right. And I'm on all social media platforms as well. So we got to hook up, and collaborate. So it rides together, for real.
Yes. Make sure you guys check her out. I'm definitely going to drop her YouTube link here so you guys can check her out, her Instagram or whatever platform that she's on. And I'm all for women riding Harleys because guess what? You don't see us too often, but guess what? We're coming. So you keep checking for us. Tip Squad, here we come, baby.
All right.
Tip Squad, y'all, I'm meeting new friends every day. And I met some new friends here that just bought them another bike here. Yep. And we have a new friend. She's looking. Look, we got to convince her. She's got to get her a Harley. She's thinking, but that thinking is going to turn to, I got one. So we're going to let her tell you what she's looking at getting, maybe, but that maybe is going to turn to something she's going to get. What's your name?
I'm Mike.
Mike?
Rachel.
Rachel. And what are you looking at getting?
He wants me to good.
Well, Street Glide or Heritage Softail.
I like the Heritage.
Y'all, we gotta tell Rachel she can get whatever she likes.
Right.
Doesn't matter. There's no bike that's too big for women. Guess what?
That's
because we can ride whatever we put our minds to. All it takes is a little practice, getting on it, and going. And guess what? We can take charge too. So
and look damn sexy doing it.
We really look better than the men riding it. So you know.
Of course, man. Look at us. Look at this mug compared to this. You're
That's right. And she's gonna look good when she gets her bike here. You know, they just purchased them a new baby here. and I love it. He's gonna do a couple more modifications to it. He's already done some to it, so we love it. And I'm all about the bike world. And you guys, I'm all about women. Sorry, Mike. I love Rachel because guess what? We're entering new worlds that women don't really enter in. But I'm out here for it.
Absolutely.
Thank you,
and that's awesome that you ride.
I came, I saw, I conquered. Like I said, we did the Harley Davidson here in Las Vegas. I met a new subscriber here. She got her new bike. She's never rode. But like I said, it's never too late to start riding your bike. I let her introduce herself. You guys check her out. Check her YouTube out, her Instagram. Like I said, I'm gonna put it and tag it somewhere in one of these corners here. You'll see me put her information up there so you can check her out. I'm all about women trying to, move, and not just women. I'm here for men too. I'm all for clubs, independent riders, whoever. You guys, if I come to your city, you got something going on, let me know, and I will do my best to try to show up and come show love, because I love to meet my subscribers. I love to meet my Instagram followers. I'm all about love here. So guess what, guys? We're getting ready to head out here. I don't know what else I'm gonna do. I still have today and tomorrow to hang out here before I head back home to the East Coast. But I've definitely had a good time here, and everybody that I came in contact with in the bike community has showed me so much love. Make sure you guys like this video, comment, subscribe. Go ahead and hit the like button right now and subscribe to my channel, Tip Squad. We're gonna keep moving. We're gonna keep making videos, and we're gonna keep hanging out, because I know you guys like hanging out with me, and I love hanging out with you guys. I love y'all.